1 Papa, extend upwind 2 additional miles.
Extending upwind 61 Papa. Tower Diamond 9 Kilo Charlie joining 4 mile final 22.
Number 9 Kilo Charlie, you'll be number 2 now, following traffic on a mile final, wind 240 at 6, runway 22, clear to land.
Number 2, runway 22, clear line 9 Kilo Charlie.
Off shield, so power in.
Cessna 61 Papa, right crosswind approved.
Switching to right cross 61 Papa.
Cessna 3 Kilo, follow the Cessna ahead, they'll be starting that crosswind soon.
3 Kilo, we're looking for traffic. Traffic inside, we'll follow the Cessna ahead of us.
Roger.
Tower Diamond 9 Kilo Charlie, can we request a touch and go on this one?
Diamond 9 Kilo Charlie, runway 22, clear touch and go. After your touch and go, make right traffic. So Cirrus departs prior to your arrival.
Roger that. Clear touch and go, and then right traffic after 9 Kilo Charlie.
Later 501 at the Diamond, guys.
Wagner 501, you'll be number 2, following that Diamond, wind 240 at 4, runway 22, clear to land.
22 clear to land, Wagner 501.
Cirrus 2 Alpha November, wind 240 at 4, runway 22, intersection November, clear for takeoff.
Number, clear for takeoff, to off number.
Cessna 89 Quebec, contact ground.